I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to close all open tabs at once in Safari on iPhone or iPad. Are you a tab collector in Safari, ending up with dozens of open pages that you eventually need to close? It happens to the best of us. In this video, I'll show you a quick and easy way to close all open tabs at once in Safari on your iPhone or iPad. This neat trick will help declutter your browser and streamline your browsing experience. Now let's walk through the steps to close all open tabs at once in Safari on iPhone or iPad. Step 1. Open Safari on your iPhone or iPad. Step 2. Tap the Tabs icon, which features two boxes overlapping each other. A menu opens. Step 3. Tap Close All Tabs in this menu. A menu pops up asking if you're sure you want to close all open tabs. Step 4. Tap Close All Tabs. All open tabs in Safari on your iPhone or iPad will be closed. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.